when it was founded in the 11th century by a Hindu king, Prithviraj Chauhan, who was stayed here till a lot of time. His family governed over here. But there was a emperor attacker, no, invader, who was Muhammad Ghori. He was Afghan, from Afghanistan. You can see that only gate which was constructed in 3011 remains nowadays, and that is called Allah Darwaja. Darwaja is gate, and Alauddin Khilji was the king who constructed that gate. So right side of that gate also you can see there is a small tomb. That is the tomb of Imam. Imam, do you know Imam? Imam is the person who prays in mosque. Just Arabic word, no?
Yes.
Just for
Yes.
Islam.
Imam. Yeah.
So this Imam was not praying over there, that mosque, because that mosque was never used.
Yes.
Never ever used that mosque. And when we entered from the gate, there is a mosque over there, a small mosque which was constructed in 16th century by Mughals. That
right.
was the
Yes.
Humayun, the second emperor of the Mughal dynasty, who came to Delhi and founded the sixth city of Delhi also, and they constructed also the some monuments inside the first city. So he was praying there, but before dying, this Imam constructed his tomb also over here. So you can see inside of that building there is a tomb and nothing more. That's a simple architecture. That is, and see, there are differences in between the tombs, between the monuments you have seen in Agra. You have seen, no, the Taj Mahal,
Yes.
and the tomb, how the construction is there. That is the Mughal architecture.
Right.
What we can see in the mosque also in the old Delhi. But see, in this one, you can see the pinch. That's the round one, and that one was before, because what construction, that was the construction of Khilji dynasty. The same person who constructed that gate wanted to construct a minar of the double height of this one. So another side we can see ruins that is only 24.5 meter. When he constructed this level, he died also. So after that, no one wanted to construct, because this was just bad luck for everyone who was starting to construct the building, and he was dying. So no one was interested that time. And this person, this king also constructed a madrasa. Madrasa, you know, madrasa. Madrasa is a religious school for Islam.
All right.
So that is that side also. There is a ruins. There are some halls there, over there, and he was buried over there also. That was the first architecture in India. We found in India when one king was buried inside one skull. And there is also one tomb in that corner, but it hasn't have just roof. That was the same king who constructed this minar, who completed, who was son-in-law of the founder of the slave dynasty. That king constructed his tomb also, but without roof, to show the people he was the king who was ruling from the earth till a sky. That is the. But this complex is the how do you say, UNESCO? No, it was.
UNESCO, World Heritage.
It was under World Heritage, under UNESCO. You can see this one, and Red Fort of Delhi, Humayun Tomb. There are 3 monuments in Delhi which are World Heritage. And India is the 4th country having more World Heritage in the world, after Egypt, Italy, Spain, then India.
That's the one.
मी मावदन लेके चलता हूँ मेहनत करते हैं वैसे
ये है पुरानी दिल्ली और कलकत्ता में भी एक शक्ति वाला होता है देखने के बाद दिल रो जाता है
over there. That's a central parliament,
Yes.
not the of the state Delhi state or like this. It's, of India. And as you see, right side and left side, these buildings, these are the offices of some minister, external minister, finance minister, and prime minister over here also. But other minister are having offices in other buildings. And in front of us, as you see, there is a building that is the president house. That time, that was the residence of British king.
Oh.
But
oh.
after independence, that was the government building, and nowadays it's a president house. It's a big house, and only they are living president family. Apart from that building, there is a garden behind that building. That's a huge area, more than 100 mil
Really?
square meter. Is having that a lot of things, flowers, everything, no?
This is the market?
Yeah, this is of things you can get second hand
Yeah.
or robbed things.
Yeah.
robbed things